And imagine Allah Almighty gives us a month of Ramadan in the midst of all the turmoil in order for us to reconnect with revelation and cleanse the system once again, to retune and reset our brains, our minds, and everything else in a way that is in conformity to what Allah has ordained. Wow, that's why this is the month of goodness, blessings, generosity, and so much of reward. We feel the goodness of the month because Allah calls it the month of the Quran. Revelation, Allah wants you to check what it says and to realign your mind and everything else to what the Quran has said. It has in it the solutions for every problem that you're facing. So if you think you have found solutions that are outside of what Allah has ordained, trust me, long term or short term, you will definitely realize that that was not a solution. In fact, it would create bigger and more problems as time passes. Neither do you achieve contentment, nor do you achieve success. And those are the two things everyone's looking for.